What's up again, everybody? You know it's your boy Lolo. One shot, I'm day here one more time with you on a review in after I-9000 AirPods. Keep me attend this and not normal. I want them to stay in tune to get the full details of the videos. Just watch the video, like the video, subscribe, and comment on it. Welcome back, guys, and now I'll begin the unboxing of the i9000 TWS AirPods. And I must say that these packaging, it feel really sturdy, like there's something nice inside. So I'm actually excited to open it, and I hope you guys stay tuned to see the final product of this video. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's this is cute. This is cute. Must say this is cute. Let's see what is marked right here. Look at this, guys. It actually has writing. It actually has writing. I'm sorry for the lighting, guys. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. It actually has the writing of an original AirPods, guys. Wow, this is so let's see what's underneath. Whoa, this is actual lightning cable, guys, like the original iPhone lightning cable, guys. This is wow. I'll just place the cost of it in the video visually. I won't state how much I paid for it, okay, guys, but this guys, this is so, look at this, guys. It won't lock. It is magnetic, guys. Look at this. Look right there, guys. The actual original AirPods lighting. Whoa, look at this. Let's take a better look. Look right here, guys. I actually got a real AirPod. No, guys, can you believe this? I cannot complain about this AirPods. This AirPods is just so fantastic. I mean, this is actually the original AirPods. I purchased original AirPods. That's the only explanation right here. I mean, this AirPod have every feature as the original. I mean, from the design, from the weight, from the writings. I'm just gonna place this in the case, which I got for free. They add an option to purchase a case with the AirPods. I did not choose that option, so I don't know why I got this case. But guys, I can braff with this AirPods right now, just about now. Look at this. I'm just gonna place it in to show you. Oh, this is so accurate. Is this even the right way? Guys, look at that. Case fit perfectly. I mean, guys, this is just the white this guys, you just have to experience this. I will give you the details. Just will give you another video to show you how you can buy this cheap AirPod. I mean, it's cheap, guys. I have an headset, this headset right here, guys, and I almost mistake the AirPods for this headset right here, this Sony headset. I almost mistake it for it, guys. This is so nice. Look here, guys. You can browse with your original headset just for subscribing and liking my video, because I will show you how you can browse with this, guys, and where you can get it from, how fast it will ship. Hope you do watch the video and enjoy it. I am working on better detailed videos with information, and also a better background view and a better camera. So guys, just like and subscribe. Look at this, guys. Yeah, the screen mirroring which I use my phone to do, you will hear the audio of the AirPods. That's actually the original audio of the AirPods, and so you will hear that in the video.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want.
Just support the channel. It's a new channel, but just support it. I'll be putting up videos of review, unboxing of products, gaming review, how to do stuff, all of that, guys. So just stay tuned, and I hope you do enjoy the video. Everything original.